Okay, welcome back student. Here, say to show that solid liquid can not be compressed, but gases can be compressed easily. See here given a activity base, and we take the 3 ml plastic syringe and having the frictionless piston. Okay, we have to take the this like syringe. Okay, here we have to take the 3 syringes. See, this is a empty. Okay, this is a filled water, and this is a salt is there, salt water, and see this one is a empty. Okay, see we have to we have to keep the wooden floor, and we have to apply the pressure. See, this is a salt is there now. If we apply the pressure, it can't compressed. It is can't compressed. We have to see the is a compressing this one. I am applying the pressure. See, applying the pressure. No compressing. See, there is no compression, because the solid particles is very close to each other. Very close to each other. There is no interparticular space. Is there space between the interparticle? No. But we have to take the here another one liquid is there. See, I filled already water. If you press the see this nozzle, what will happen? Piston. See, it can't compressed because of in liquid also the interparticle. See, force is a interparticular space is a compared to solid is a less, but it is also very their particles is a very close to each other. It is also very hard to compressed this liquid also. Now we have to take the see, this is a empty. There is no any solid or liquid. See, only gas is there. If you apply the force, what will happen? See, it will be, see here means interparticular force is a very less. That's why gases can be compressed easily. Gases can be compressed easily. Okay, see, this is a activity for you. What said in your book also given. See, the piston of first syringe contain the common salt and does not move down on putting weight. If you putting the weight, it doesn't move. This shows that applying the pressure, the volume of common salt syringe does not get reduced. Is a reduced the there? See, we have to see the here only is there, does not reduced. In some common solid general, we can say that solid does not get compressed applying the pressure. Okay, next we have to see the liquid also given. See, this is a filled the liquid. What say? The piston of second syringe containing water also does not move down putting weight, and this also shows that on applying the pressure, the volume of water in syringe does not reduced. See, this means that applying the pressure, water does not get compressed. See, liquid does not get compressed. But we have to see the solid. See, gases can be compressed if the piston third syringe containing the air move down considerably on putting weight. See, this shows that applying the pressure, the volume of air syringe is reduced. This means that applying the pressure, the air get compressed. Okay, see, air get compressed. See, this is a said. Next we have to see the Number of examples like LPG cylinder. LPG gases is there. The LPG, CNG and oxygen gases is a filled and compressedly these gases is a filling in the cylinder. It is a we are using the LPG is a domestical fuel. In the LPG is a butane gas is there. CNG compressed natural gas. Various purpose is using autos and buses, so many cars. What it will cause the less pollution, pollution. Next, oxygen cylinder also is a these are a compressed gases. Next we have to see next one is a diffusion. What is diffusion? Okay, next one is a diffusion. Okay, here is a diffusion means the spreading out or mixing of a substances with another substances due to the motion of its particle is called diffusion. See for example, in our class, see Parth Mandilwar, he sprayed his body. So it is a perfume, applied the perfume and he came to in our class and sit a corner, say last bench. But the perfume is spreading the smell first bench too. It is a last to first means is a gases is a diffusing high concentration to low concentration, high concentration to low concentration. Next we have to see the so many examples. Our neighbors as a cooking the see different types of dishes. Okay, food items. See what will happen? The smell is spreading from higher concentration to lower concentration. In your book also is a given the examples of some diffusion. For example, we have to take this one, this jar, and in this jar we have to add to the gases. Which gases? Bromine vapor. So it is a red brown. See, this is a bromine vapor. See, this one is a bromine vapor. Bromine vapor. Okay. See, it is a red brown in color. Red brown color is there. See, upside is a air, colorless is there. See, this is a air, colorless. Okay. Now we have to see the after some time. After some time. See what will happen? The color will be diffusing in upper chamber. See, color is a diffusing in upper chamber also. See, here is a color. See, this one color is a diffusing in upper chamber also. Upper chamber means is a red brown color. So it will form the totally red brown color. See, this like diffusion of bromine vapor into air. See, diffusion is a property of matter. See, property of matter is a diffusion. Okay, which is based on the motion of its particle. Diffusion is a property of matter. So it is a diffusion of gases from, so it is a motion of its particles, moving the particles. Okay, someone preparing the food substances. are so many substances also spreading the bad smell also. For example, we have to see the rotten fruits, see vegetables, it is also spreading the bad smell. Means it is a motion moving of the these particles. The diffusion occurs gases, solid and liquids. Diffusion occurring the gases, solid and liquid. See, we have to see the liquid also. See, your mother is a see, after wash the white clothes is a pouring the blue diamond. See, blue ink in a water, and it is a keeping the this white dresses in this blue diamond. What will happen? Our clothes will become a, it is a blue in color. See, we are applying the various color on the walls. See, it is also, see, this like liquids also diffusions and solid also. We have to see the solids. For example, we have to see the old vehicles, old bikes. See, what will happen? So it is a screw, nut and bolt is there. So it is a fusion together, means it is a rusting together. What will happen? We are calling the solids is a diffusion. See, we can't take out the bolt outside. See, nut bolt outside. See, we can't separate. It will be break. It will be break. See, this like solids also diffusion. See, so many. Next we have to see the see, for example, cement, concrete, and this is sand. See, diffusion. This is a solid diffusion. Okay. Next, diffusion and fastest in the gases and slow. See, diffusion fastest in the gases. डिफ्यूजन किसमें फास्ट रहता है? गैसेस में. और स्लोवेस्ट इन सॉलिड में. सॉलिड में स्लोवेस्ट होता है. सी, जब अपन बाइक यूज करते हैं व्हीकल्स, कई दिनों के बाद वो क्या होता है? इट इज ए रस्टिंग होता है. सी, हाउ टू ऑब्जर्व इन police station number of vehicles is there. Okay, so it is a now total is a rusted. See, the rate of diffusion increases on increasing the temperature. If a temperature is increasing, see, diffusion rate also increasing of the, see, it is a diffusing substances. See, this like diffusion is a occurring. Okay, we learn the diffusion, and to show the solid liquid cannot be compressed, but gases can be compressed easily. See, this is about the